into gaming, like a gaming console. I might get into that, or PC. What do y'all recommend? I was thinking Xbox because I'm used to it. That's the last one I had. But then again, I'm like, maybe just a PC. Maybe just a PC. I did it, y'all. I did it. Okay, guys. So, last time y'all see me, I think the last time y'all see me, I was talking about how I wanted to get into like gaming for real. And I did it. I said I wanted to get like a PC. I didn't know if I wanted to do Xbox or PlayStation, but I did end up getting me a PC, y'all. It was a big girl purchase, and it was something new. It took me like a week and a half to figure out how to set all this stuff up. I had to learn how to use OBS. Y'all, OBS, I was looking at that, I'm like, this is a whole new world. Like, I'm trying to figure this out, but thank God I figured it out. I am looking to play Fortnite today because somebody commented on my PUBG video and asked if I play Fortnite. So I downloaded Fortnite, but mainly I've been playing GTA online and Minecraft on this PC. So yeah, I'm actually super thankful to God because I wasn't about to get it. Like, I was like praying, I'm like, God, I want to get it, but I don't want to make any rash decisions because I learned my lesson. He says, do not lean on our own understanding, but acknowledge him in everything. So I knew I wanted to get one. I just wanted to make sure it was okay with him first. But basically, I waited on it. I said, God, if you want me to get it, press it on my heart. Reveal it to me that it's okay for me to get it. Y'all, he gave me the green light. I got it. It was a very big girl purchase, but I'm happy that I did it. I'm happy that I stepped out on faith. I did this not knowing what to do. I didn't know nothing about PCs, nothing. I'm in the store. I'm like, so I want to get into this game. I want to get into this game. I want to make sure I get a PC that's going to be compatible for these games. Came pre-built, thank God. The people in there, the guys, they were like, yeah, you want to make sure you got this. You want to make sure you got that. They gave me the keyboard for free. They gave me the monitor for a discounted price. And yeah, I'm all set up. I got this mic yesterday from Walmart. I got this chair from Temu. These headphones I got a long time ago. I don't even remember where I got them from. I got my webcam from TikTok shop. I got an Xbox controller. I got this little case to go on top of it because it's pretty and pink. I'm still waiting on my new keyboard to come. It's pink, and my new mouse, which is pink as well. Okay. But yeah, without further ado, y'all, I just want to get into the video. And yeah, so let's get into it, y'all. I'm a little nervous because I'm like, dang. Okay, why my character keep changing? Why they keep doing that? Oh, y'all, don't mind how I'm looking. My face is kind of like breaking out a little bit because it is that time of the month. So y'all see my pimple patches, don't do too much on me. Thank you. All right, what are we looking for? Actually, let's just play. It took me 3 days to figure out how to get my webcam to link with OBS. 3 days. I was getting so frustrated, but I was like, Lord, please help me, because I don't know what I'm doing. Like, this is my first time with all of this. And yeah, I'm learning. I'm happy. Okay. I'm on here. Yes. I'm driving a bus. Y'all have not played it forever. How do I turn my microphone off? Ooh. 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 There's too much going on over here. Oh my. Still picking up bandages. I can heal myself. Oh, I'm rolling around? Girl. This is tea. Okay. Yeah. This is not my cup of tea. It's not my speed, y'all. I'm trying, but this is not my speed. What is this? Why do they keep changing my characters? I don't want to keep changing characters. How? What? Oh yeah, I did my nails. They orange. Cute, right? Cute. Something different. I'm gonna try and play like 2 to 3 matches. I'm so garbage at this game. When I land, I want to land somewhere that nobody else is at. And I don't know if I know how to turn my microphone off. I don't want people, oops. I don't want people to be able to hear me while I'm trying to play. I sound very confused. Cuz I am confused when it comes to this. I haven't played this in forever and I was never really into this game in particular. So, yeah. I don't know. I'm waiting. Ooh, look at me on the roll. Alright, I'm not gonna lose like I did last time because I did not know what I was doing. Still don't know what I'm doing, but at least I don't know. I hope I land where people are not. What I found already. Oh. Okay. Alright. I don't know how to build or nothing, so yeah. Yep. Chugs. Don't I, if these the ones that you throw on each other? Come on, partner. Come on, girl. I don't even know if this is a girl or not. It's funny. Partner, where are you going, girl? I have some chug jug for us. Oh, she already, okay. Girl. I still want to share. Oh, girl, I'm not chasing you. Bye. I need a gun. Okay, what is this? Which gun? Okay, that's a decent gun. What is this? Okay, what's this? This is like the little... I need some more liquid shield. Oh, sister. Hold on. Oh, they trying to jump me. Oh no, can't do this. No. Wait a second. Hold on. Pause. They trying to jump me, girl. They trying to jump me. Oh, I see you. Girl, am I lagging? That's not fair because I do not know how to build. Oh, I'm good. They building. Girl, I need to get away from here. What's wrong with them? Do I have health? Oh my gosh. Give me this. Let me see. Right there. They disrespectful. All 4 of them did not need to come and try to jump me. Okay. I only have one of those. That's cool. I have a skyline thing already. Do I need this combat rifle? What is this thing? Oh! Oh wait, I need that. Give me this. Okay. Wait. Oh my goodness. I'm in the storm. I can't run or nothing. Oh my gosh. This is absolutely... Oh no. Oh my goodness, I'm about to pass out. Yeah? Yep. Alright. How do I leave? Well, let's pause. Okay, y'all, we finna try again. Wait, I'm ready. We finna try again, and yeah. I'm on level 5 already. Clock it. Y'all seen that team try to jump me? They tried it. They really did. This is really pretty. What is that? Let me get this. Oh no, not me lagging for real. I see rivals. I'm ducking, okay? I'm not gonna hold y'all. I'm ducking. Do I have like a little... Okay. Alright. I don't see anybody or anything. I'm low-key might be good at this game. But this is not my cup of tea. Oh, it's only 11 people left? Where's the storm? Where's everything at? Me? Versus somebody? Girl. I don't be playing that. I don't know what that is. They say I got the juice, I got the sauce. I see you. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. They trying to jump me. Hold up. Okay, I don't want to see this. No. We're going to return to the lobby. Dang. Alright, y'all. Let me get up out of here. Hold on. Okay. Alright, y'all. So, that was everything. If y'all have any advice for me in Fortnite, please let me know. I don't know how to build or none of that. So, yeah, like I said, it's not my cup of tea. But I just wanted to give something out there for y'all to have. Yeah, so I think this is the end of the video. I do love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Stay blessed. Stay tuned for more videos. Stay tuned for more. And yeah, God bless. Love y'all. Bye.
Hey, by the way, thanks for watching. See you later.